Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a product to your wishlist on the Kiko Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the shop button down below, which is the second button. Select a category such as makeup, skincare, accessories, and so on. Or you can also type in a keyword into the search bar, then select a subcategory. Here you can find the types of products at the top: mascaras, eyeshadows, eye pencils, and so on. Click on a product that you are interested in and would like to add to your wish list. So just simply scroll down and tap on the add to wish list button in the left side of the screen. After that, go back to the previous page or tap on the create new button. Insert a name for your new wish list. So tap on this button. Click on the save button down below, and your wish list has been created right now and it has been added to your wish list. So tap on the add to wish list button and tap on the selected wish list. Tap on the my Kiko button down below, click on my wish list, and here you can see your new wish list and the added items. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.